Hi and welcome back to the channel. It's Halloween tomorrow, so because of that we thought we'd do Salt and Straw's The Great Candycopia. What is it? It's a bourbon butterscotch ice cream with Whoppers, Snickers, Heath Bars and Reese's peanut butter cups all folded in. All of that so that there's none left for the trick-or-treaters. So if you want to see how it's made, stick around and we'll show you. Let's get started with the salt and straw base, shall we? In your pan, add 45 grams of corn syrup and 470 milliliters of milk. Then stir that in well and add your 90 grams of sugar, which also has your 1.5 grams of xanthan gum mixed in, and your 45 grams of skim milk powder. Mix that all in well until the sugar is dissolved, then turn off the heat and add your 470 milliliters of cream. Chill that down for 4 hours or more. Next, it's time to make the butterscotch. First, take your 50 grams of light brown sugar, your 15 grams of granulated sugar and 15 grams of corn syrup, along with your 30 grams of bourbon, and put them all in a pan. Mix it all up until all the sugars look slightly wet, then fire that heat up. Get that puppy to a gentle smoke point without stirring, and then take it off the heat. Add your 60 grams of heavy cream, 5 grams of butter, a small splash of vanilla and a small pinch of salt. Stir that all in well, store it at room temperature until your base is chilled. When your base is chilled, and before churning, add the butterscotch sauce to your chilled base and mix it in well. This takes a while doing it this way, so just keep on stirring it and it will all disappear. Then add it to your ice cream machine and churn it away. Whilst the ice cream is churning, it's time to chop up your add-ins. So take your Snickers, Heath Bars, Reese's Cups and Whoppers and chop them all up nice and small. When your ice cream reaches soft serve consistency, remove it from your machine and fold in all the sweetie goodness. Freeze it for a few hours and we'll come back and see what it looks like. Look at that amazing tub. The witch up there dropping all the candies down into the ice cream. In the UK, getting Whoppers and Heath Bars is a nightmare. I did manage to get Whoppers, and that was when we went to Bath actually, so you can see that on our social media. I'll put links down below. There was an American, or worldwide actually, sweet shop, and they happen to have those, and they cost a fortune for a bag. So I couldn't get the Heath Bars, and that's why I made them in last week's video. So now that we got it out of the freezer, let's get some scooped up and see what it looks like. Okay, so let's just see what this tastes like. I mean, first off, there's loads of stuff in there. But that aside, the ice cream smells quite nice. Now, I usually love add-ins, but these are a bit dry, really. The ice cream is really good. Kind of tastes like Werther's Originals. It's a nice butterscotch caramelly kind of taste. It's a good texture. I'm not sure about the add-ins. There's a lot of them. The Snickers goes rock hard. Whoppers, now controversy and all that. Whoppers versus Maltesers. They're slightly different. Whoppers have, or appear to have, slightly more malty flavour than Maltesers, but they taste like so, you know, I would use Maltesers every day of the week. Snickers, yeah, like I said, it goes rock hard. The Heath Bar actually works quite well, although it does go hard. It goes soft and melts in your mouth the moment they're in there. The peanut butter cups, I love peanut butter. My wife doesn't like peanut butter, so when I tubbed this up, half of it didn't have it in, but it needs something else. It needs like a fudge swirl or a sauce or something just to break it up, and probably less add-ins. But I mean, you know, it's a flavour for Halloween. It's designed just to throw everything in there for a bit of fun, and they'll remove it when Halloween is over. It is just, ice cream should be about fun. So I guess when you look at it like that, this is a great one. Texture, really nice. Flavour, really nice. So give this one a try if you like all the add-ins. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. As I said in a previous video, we're doing some more ASMR videos. Next week we're gonna do another one. So stick around and thanks for watching.